So, Assalamualaikum and good day, sir. So, I am Muhammad Juhair Haram. So, this is video number 2 in MEC 136. This video is about the assigned topic, Material Science of Ball Bearings. So, first, uh, ball bearings. So, ball bearings are essential component and many mechanical systems. Understanding the material used in their construction is crucial for optimizing performance and durability. So, yung mga ball bearing na ito is somehow ito yung mga ginagamit sa mga mechanism or yung mga machine to make its performance smooth and also the friction that we can't resist the friction. So, yung ball bearing, ini-insert ito sa mga mechanism or mga machine para ma-less yung friction na nararamdaman ng mga machine natin. So, ball bearings are small round part that help machines move smoothly by reducing friction. The material used to make them, like steel, stainless steel, ceramics, and plastics, greatly affect their performances. So, steel is strong but can rust, while stainless steel resists rust better. Ceramic are light and heat resistant but can break easily. And the plastic are lightweight and quick but not as strong. So choosing the right material is important for ensuring that ball bearings can handle load, spin quickly, resist heat, and withstand environmental damage which helps machine work better and last longer. So let's move on to the components and the device descriptions. The first one is the we have the the we have four components in the ball bearing. The first one is the inner race, the outer race, balls, and the cage. The first one, the inner race. The inner race is the component that rotates with the shaft. It is usually made of hardened steel to withstand wear and tear. So, the inner race is a vital component of a ball bearing, specially designed to rotate with the shaft of a machine. This rotation is essential for the overall function of the bearing, as it provides a surface for the rolling elements, usually balls, to move against. So, typically made from hardened steel, the inner race is engineered for strength and durability. The hardening process increases its resistance to wear and tear, which is crucial since it endures constant friction and stress during operation. So, the quality of the NRS directly impact the bearing's performance, while manufactured NRS can significantly extended the lifespan of its design, ensure that it fits securely onto the shaft, minimizing vibration and enhancing overall stability during operation. So, yung NRS is yan yung yung circle na nasa loob ng bearing, yung maliit doon. So, the second one is the outer race. The outer race is stationary and provides a support surface for the inner race. It is typically made of hardened steel or ceramic. So, itong type race naman is ito yung nasa labas, which is ito yung nag-hold sa kanila. So, this outer race serve as the stationary counterpart to the inner race, providing a robust support structure for the entire ball bearing assembly. So, unlike the inner race, the outer race does not rotate but remains fixed in place, allowing it to stabilize the moving parts Typically constructed from hardened steel or ceramic, the outer race is designed to withstand various operational stresses while maintaining its shape and integrity. The choice of material plays a crucial role. For instance, ceramic to corrosion and wear, making them ideal for harsh environment. The outer rays provide a sturdy surface against which the inner rays can roll, ensuring that the load is distributed evenly across the bearing. This distribution help prevent localized wear and prolong the bearing's lifespan. So ayun daw, ito yung nag-hold. Bale, kung titingnan natin, ito yung powerhouse or yung foundation na nasa labas. Siya yung mag-hold sa hold ng system device ito na ball bearing. So, the second one is the balls. So, this balls naman, ito yung pinaka-important dito na part. The balls are the rolling element that transfer the load between the rays. They are usually made of high-quality steel and ceramic of low friction and durability. So, the balls are small. Maliliit lang sila. Round element and facilitate movement within the ball bearing. Position between the inner and outer races. This position the inner and the outer races. These balls plays a crucial role in transferring load and reducing friction during operation. They allow the parts to move smoothly, enabling efficient frictioning or machinery. Typically made from high-quality steel or ceramic, the choice of material is significant. Steel balls are known for their strength and durability, while ceramic balls offer advantages such as lighter weight and higher resistance to heat. The precise manufacturing of the balls ensures that they have a consistent size and shape, which is essentially uh, maintaining maintaining proper spacing and alignment within the bearing. By minimizing friction between them, moving part, the ball enhances the overall efficiency of the machinery, contributing to reduced energy consumption and extended equipment life. So, yung ball bearing is yan yung nagpa-play dito. Ito yung nag-hold ng pinaka-crucial na part kasi yung friction between the machine and the ball bearing is tinatransfer na dito. Bali kung tingnan yung friction force or resistant na friction is it will be transferred to the ball. So siya yung mag-release at saka it needs to be to have the capability of being hard and strong. So ito yung pinaka-important. So the last part is the cage. The cage is the cage. So the cage or separator keeps the ball evenly spaced and preventing them from colliding. So itong cage naman is ito yung naka-hold doon sa ball para hindi sila mag-collide or maging uniformly yung arrangement nila. Bale ito yung magiging mag-hold sa ball para even yung arrangement or connection nila and within the ball bearing. So this cage integral component of the ball bearing that serves multiple important function. Its primary roles is to keep ball evenly spaced apart as they move between inner and outer races. So ayun daw, siya yung nag-hold ng mga ball. So in this component and the device descriptions, each component of ball bearing, the inner race, outer race, balls, and the cage, this plays a vital role in the system smooth functionality. Together, they work to enable smooth motion, distribute load evenly, and enhance the durability of the machinery. Understanding the purpose and material choices for each component is essential for optimizing performance in a variety of in a variety of mechanical applications, whether an everyday device or complex industrial machinery. The careful design and selection of this part ensures that bearing operate efficiently, ultimately extended equipment lifespan. Proper maintenance and aware of this component can significantly impact the reliability and effectiveness of the machines they serve. So ayun, ito yung yun yung mga part and yun yung mga components na and description of a ball bearing. So let's move on to the mechanical properties of ball bearing. So itong part na to is ito sa mga properties ng ng ball bearings. So involved to sa mga properties nito. So let's go first. Let's tackle first these mechanical properties. So we have the mechanical properties, the hardness, elasticity, and strength. So the hardness, the hardness of the material is crucial for resistance to wear and indentation. Material with the high hardness are preferred to minimize surface damage and extend service life. So ito, ang hardness ng mga materials na ginagamit sa ball bearing ay isang mahalagang part para sa kanilang pagiging tough and yung mga yung yung silbi nila sa machine. So ang hardness ay sumusukat sa kakayahan ng material na laban ang pagkasira or identification sa mga materials na may mataas at matiis patuloy alitin ng pressure ng mga kanilang sa habang ginagamit. So itong hardness na to is it really so itong hardness na to is kailangan natin for the lifespan ng mga device. So as they significantly extend the service life of this bearing, this is particularly important in application where bearings experience high speed and heavy load, as the wear from this condition can quickly degrade software materials. So ayun. So next one is the elasticity. It refers to the material's ability to deform under load and return to its original shape. A material with high elasticity can handle repeated loading and unloading cycle. So elasticity naman this is to be considered pagdating dito sa ball bearing, kasi yung ball bearing it always hold a uniform load and constant when pagka yung machine ay nagwo-work, it's moving na yung machine. So the elasticity of this ball bearing is kinakailangan din for the better performance. So the importance of this property, referring their ability to deform under load and then return to their original shape when the load is removed. This characteristic is essential for ball bearings as they frequently undergo repeated loading and unloading cycle during operation. Materials with high elasticity can absorb shock and flex without suffering permanently damage, which enhances the overall reliability of the bearing. When a material has a good elasticity, it helps to maintain the integrity of the bearing, allowing it to deform function to function effectively over time, even the application with varying load and operating conditions. So ayun, sa strength naman, uh, the strength of this material refers to its ability to resist deformation of fracture under applied stress. High strength material are crucial to withstand high load without permanently. So ayun, yung step naman is kailangan daw for holding the material not to fracture when the stress is applied. So let's move on to the thermal of ball bearing, properties of this ball bearing. So first one is the thermal expansion, kasi kapag ka mag-work na in the work na yung movement na yung mga machine natin, so hindi natin maiwasan yung mga thermal conductivity or thermal properties ng or yung heat na ma-release or magiging restored sa mga system natin. So, first one is the thermal expansion. This thermal expansion coefficient of the material determine how much is it will expand or contract with temperature changes. Low thermal expansion is desirable for consistent performance over wide range of temperature. So, the thermal expansion ng mga material ay tumutukoy sa kung gaano ito kakalawakan or kakabawasan kapag nagbabago ang temperature nito. So, ang maubang thermal ay due to the low thermal expansion is is wanted para sa pare-parehong pagganap sa isang malawak ng mga temperature. So, kung ang material ay masyadong sensitibo sa mga pagbabago sa temperature, maaari itong magdulot ng hindi pantay na paggalaw or pagkasira ng mga bearing natin na naging sanhin ng mas mabilis ng pagkasira. So, ito naman sa thermal conductivity. This thermal conductivity refers to how readily a material conducts heat. High thermal conductivity can be helpful for dissipating heat generated during operation. So, ito naman sa conductivity is yung pag-conduct, let's say yung pag-absorb ng mga components ng isang device or itong ball bearing sa heat. So, sinasabi dito, yung high thermal conductivity can be helpful for dissipating heat generated during operation. So, kapag malaki yung conductivity ng yung mga elements ng ginamit dito sa machine or device, device is which is better kasi mas malaki yung conductivity, so it will resolve. So dito man sa heat resistant material must be able to withstand high temperature without regarding high temperature resistant is crucial for application with high friction and potential for heat generation. So ang mga materials ay dapat na makatiis sa mataas na temperature ng hindi nalalason na hindi nasisira. Ang mataas na paglaban sa init ay mahalaga para sa mga aplikasyon na may mataas na alitan at potensyal para sa pagbuo ng init. Kung ang material ay hindi kayang matagal sa mataas na temperatura, maaari itong humantong o pagkasira ng bearing, pagbagsak ng pangganap ng makina. So, dito naman sa chemical properties of a ball bearing. So, chemical properties of this device ball bearing is also to be considered kasi let's say this talk about the lifespan of this component and its ayun yung lifespan nito. So at saka yung toughness nito. So we have this corrosion resistant. Corrosion resistance is essential for preventing degradation of the material in harsh environment. So uh, the corrosion resistant is important to prevent from to be destroy to prevent from pagkasira ng mga materials ng mga materials within the environment kasi sa kapag nasa machine na. So kapag ang bearing ay nalantad sa uh, ano kapag ka yung mga ball bearing, yung mga material dito is nakuha sa mga let's say acidic or salty or salt na mga chemical, is it can cause this rust. So kapag ka nag-rust na ito is malilis na yung function nito as this lead into being destroyed or unable to play its role or function. So ayun. So the second is the lubricant compatibility. The material must be compatible with the lubricant used to minimize friction and wear. So ayun. Yung lubricant compatibility is let's say kapag yung ginamit natin ng material is hindi siya goods para doon sa ginagamit natin ng lubricant, this also will cause high risk or masira na lang yung one kasi applying a lubricant is also applying the lubricant can be considered also as one of the function kasi yan yung maghawak doon sa mga machine para mag-move. So oxidation resistant, oxidation resistant is also important for maintaining the integrity of the bearing materials at high temperature. So let's move on to the sustainability of a ball bearing. So sustainability, we have the steel and ceramic. So first one is the steel. So steel is recyclable, but extraction and processing can be energy intensive. So ito daw, yung steel daw is recyclable siya. So let's say kapag ka nasira ito or something na nasira na ito is pwede pa siyang i-recycle or gamitin ulit na manufacture ulit na gawing ball bearing ulit. So in order to do this, high cost din kasi it involves the manufacturing cost, yung time, yung let's say yung bayad din sa work. So the other one is the ceramic. This ceramic is durable and often less energy extensive to produce, but ceramic production can emit volatile organic compounds. So also this ceramic, kaso yung ceramic na lang daw is mas mainam itong gawin, is kilala sa kanilang tibay as mababang pangangailangan ng mga energy sa pag-manufacture nito compared doon sa steel. So however, ang paggawa ng ceramic ay maaari ring paglabas ng mga volatile organic compound na nakakasira sa kalikasan, sa environment natin. So and also sa health natin. So this also causes risk then about its chemical properties. So high risk yung ceramic, kaso mas good siyang gamitin. So let's go to the, let's say ito yung last to the last slide. So this is the future prospects. So the future prospect is the nanomaterial can be offer improved strength, wear resistant and lubricant, retention properties, bio-based materials, sustainable alternative tradition material, offering a potential reduction in environmental impact. Additive manufacturing can produce complex complex bearing designed with optimized material distribution and reduce waste. So ayun. So in the future is hoping this ball bearing can be uh, um, also this can support us in the futures kasi let's say na may mag-improve na yung mga machine. So in order to do this, yung mga ball bearing na to is place crucial components din sa lalo na sa mga malalaking machineries. So kailangan natin to for better performances sa mga task na ipapagawa natin sa mga mechanism or machine na gagamitin natin. So that's all. I hope you understand po sir. So thank you sa video na to. So thank you sa pakikinig. So thank you.